Screw the intro, let's roll the montage. What's going on, guys? Sean here with Nobori Auto, looking bright as crap, and bright in more than one way. So I am bright because I'm wearing my nice little tingly fluorescent jacket so I don't get run over when I'm, yeah, but whatever. And also bright because these wheels are freaking legit. That's why. So yes, the wheels are Hostile Jigsaws 22x14 with, gosh darn it, with -76 offset. And the tires are Patriot tire 37x13.5. And you guys may be wondering, why the heck are you putting a 22x14 on a Titan XD? Like, that's gonna look so stupid. There are things about this truck that you guys don't know yet. It's a transformer. No, but really, there's things that I have lined up for the rebuild kind of build portion of it, that I want to tell you guys so bad, but I'm not going to because I want to save it for being a surprise. I'm in love with these wheels. Can we go back and look at them? Like this freaking lip, look at that. That's a water bottle right there. All 16.9 fluid ounce, gosh darn it, 16.9 fluid ounces of it. I am super excited to go to malls and drive around and grocery stores and just look like I off-road, but I don't really off-road. But yeah, I don't even know if they're my style, but looking at wheel tire combinations, I feel like it's a good balance, at least for a start. Like, no, I'm not going to be going rock crawling in this thing down in Moab. It's going to be more of a lifestyle truck, but I went with mud terrains in case I do want to get froggy riding around town, you know, like I could maybe hop over like a 2-inch curb with those things and then cry when I scuff them. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys an overview of what's going to happen and what the styling of the truck's going to be after the lift kit gets installed. And speaking of lift kit, I got more parts in. The upper control arms are here. Let's open this thing up. Uppers look really nice compared to stock. So the stock one is right here, just your basic like stock control arm. And from what I was reading on forums of the stock ones is when you lift the truck, the upper, from it flexing all the way down, it rubs or hits on the strut assembly. So these apparently don't do that. We'll see, but they look beefier for sure. Like the build quality, I would say, looks good. The welds, way better than I can weld. So the reason that I decided to go with these were because the fitment issues, as well as this is the upper control arm from the driver's side, and I believe that it was bent. So I needed an upper anyway. So I thought might as well just get aftermarket ones. So here we are. Okay, so we've made it to the end of the video. Julian and I are trying to clean up the shop. It is a mess in here. Ever since I got rid of the shipping container that I was renting and got another one that I bought, we're in like the middle of transition time. I do appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about the new wheel tire setup. It's pretty sick, huh? And for those of you who don't like it, don't let me know what you think about it, because I like it anyway. But yeah, if you're new here, go check out my Instagram, at Nobori Auto. I post stuff behind the scenes, future items, different vehicles that I work on that aren't on YouTube. Just all around fun stuff. Yeah, stay tuned for more Titan stuff. I'm slowly getting more parts in every day that I'm having to like hide places so you guys don't see them. So plan on maybe 3 videos a week for that. And that's also something else that I wanted to ask you guys. For those of you who've been around for a while, you know that I've worked on the GTR and I rebuilt it. I still have it. I kind of want to continue rebuilding it. Like, well, not rebuilding. I kind of want to continue building it, having it be a fun vehicle. I'm getting more carbon fiber parts monthly, weekly, that I'm storing. Do you guys want to see the continuation of that, or has that kind of been burned out? I don't know. I know I'm a rebuild channel, and that's where I gained all my subscribers, but I still like cars. I like fast stuff. I like messing around, so let me know that as well. Do you guys want to see more GTR content for those of you who came to this channel for the GTR? And yeah, my last plug for this video, go over and check out Todd at Unwrecked. He just bought an Infiniti M45 to rebuild, and he got it for $1,000. Like, that is insane. And he got the rear-wheel drive version. So, Todd, that's awesome. His link will be in the description below. But until then, be safe, enjoy cars, and I will see you guys in the next one. So out of shape, but doing this for you guys. We got the NV put together enough to, oh, we gotta swap the wheel. Swap the wheel. And got it put together enough to bring it over to get wheels and tires put on, because that thing isn't looking too hot. They all fit, guys. This NV, oh, totally worth the money. Look at that. Good to go. Now just hope that the place is actually open and they let us mount some wheels. So we're just headed to the tire shop to pick up the wheels that just got mounted on the tires, and then I'll show them to you guys.